Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we're diving into the features of the DXJJ portable washing machine and the ZNew portable washing machine. Both of these machines promise convenience for small living spaces. But which one is right for you? Let's find out! The first aspect we will compare is capacity. The DXJJ portable washing machine offers a 10-liter capacity, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the ZNew portable washing machine boasts a larger 13-liter capacity, allowing for more laundry at once. If you often wash multiple items, the ZNew may be the better choice. Next, let's look at the price. The DXJJ model is priced at $50, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable washing solution. The ZNew, on the other hand, is slightly more expensive at $57. While the ZNew offers additional features, it's important to consider if those justify the higher cost for your needs. Finally, we compare the control types. The DXJJ portable washing machine features a simple dial control, which is straightforward and easy to use. In contrast, the ZNew utilizes a push-button control, providing a modern touch. Depending on your preference for user interface, this could influence your decision. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and ZNew portable washing machines offer unique features catering to different needs. If you prioritize budget and simplicity, the DXJJ is a great option. However, if you need a larger capacity and additional features, consider the ZNew. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.